MeghalayaPost.news.
Agak kibriu kiju sakhina kapor Shah Kapor bon ki kam snew kiju wanja kum ke jing Shah Thok pisa kam to kam them babon jat da ka pendon kam de ki kor internet halor kate ka phang kala penlong ya ka data youth society ka bade ka wena ka organization bala itho da ka sarkar ban Pynphriang Khubor kum ke jing hikai ban pinkindet thia ya kibriu ban num ngop hakum kini ki kam da ka penlong ya ka awareness program menta kasngi ha 7 set secondary school shillong halor ka phang awakening youth digital safeguarding the future empower youth for tomorrow. Abakran siya kilat patay kubor, ka President yung kakunhun, hakajuk kapor, kadir menong seng, ka minu ka mahato, kalaong, kajing pelong ya kani ka program, kaday namar kajing yo i, batlap, basibun kibriu, ki Shah Thok, hakikam pisa pilan, bat kitar Stad Ruh, bantis no to ya kibriu, bakinlong ki Husiar, nakikam Shah Thok lamba kajuk teknologi. Nalor kata kalaong, bakajing Shah Thok, day tang kibriu ki bomnang bomsat, henry wat kibriu ki balanang Stad Ruh, bunsin ki Shah Thok, bat ngop.
An ethical hacker and a volunteer also for cyber security and scams. So people used to know what is hacking. In simple terms, I used to give one example: toothbrush. The toothbrush we are using for cleaning our teeth. If we use the toothbrush for cleaning my shoes, then it is a hacking. Simple. Now, what I do, ethical hackers will take your permissions, all you great peoples, and check your mobiles, your internet security, everything, and inform you that these are the weaknesses in your devices. Kindly patch it up. Now, question comes, how you will patch it? All of you use computers at home, mobiles, isn't it? Always update your devices. Updates are coming, update it. You are using your mobiles, isn't it? Update it. Every day, update. What will happen? It will patch all the weakness so that the viruses, malwares will not come. Next part is, all of you use WhatsApp. Everybody knows two-factor authentication. So I will tell you what to do with that two-factor authentication. Have you heard about WhatsApp hacking? My WhatsApp is hacked. So when you go home today, check your accounts, security. There you get privacy, two-factor authentication. Enable it. There will be one PIN, but do not give your date of birth there. Why it is important? Your WhatsApp can be hacked anytime after enabling that PIN also. But when the hacker will hack that one and try to use it, it will ask for that PIN. Suppose your WhatsApp is hacked, then what will happen? That PIN number it will ask. If he cannot give, he cannot use. Got it? What I am saying, please try at home. It will save you. Next point, talk to your parents. Other details I will not go, but the important thing what I want to tell today is, kindly talk to your parents. Anything happens, tell your parents.
MeghalayaPost.news.